Hello, everyone. Once again, this is your AI acronym individual. So, special. Sometimes, my eyes, it's because of my age. This is special. Wait, special nouns. Okay, so I already taught you the definition of nouns, that nouns are names of persons, animals, places, ideas, objects, things, and events. And the four kinds of noun, and that is PAC, proper, abstract, common, collective, and also the gender of nouns, the FMNC, feminine, masculine, neuter, common. And then we have also, I taught you already the 7 rules in forming the plural of nouns. Today we're gonna I'm gonna tell you the special nouns. Special nouns are nouns for plural in form but singular in meaning. Example: missiles, scissors, mathematics, physics, economics, moms, and statistics. So you're gonna use them. These are the exemption to the rule, isn't it? That as we all know, if it has s, it is plural, but here there are called special nouns. You will use them in singular. Mathematics is a difficult subject. Physics is my favorite subject. Economics is the subject that deals with economy, and then moms is a disease. Statistics is the study, also is one of the branches of mathematics, and etc. etc. So if you know some nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning, comment down below with my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for the 130 subscribers. And continue clicking the notification bell. And even a little may nakukuha po tayong pangkaisipan. And this will help you in stock knowledge. Sometimes, when we are constructing grammar, we can be sure that it is correct. If the subject is singular, the verb should also be in the singular form. And I hope that I am contributing a little pag napadaan po ang aking YouTube channel. Once again, this is your AI acronym individual saying Happy Friday and enjoy our weekend ahead of us. Do not forget to attend Mass every Sunday, and that is our obligation. Even God himself rests on that 7th day. And enjoy our weekend, and mabuhay po tayong lahat. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. At sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko sa Pinas, napaka-sarap pong magpuri at magbigay ng pasasalamat sa ating poong may kapal, dahil kung wala siya, wala tayo dito. Okay? So, yun lamang po, and continue po na subscribe ang aking YouTube channel. Thank you for those 130 na aking subscribers. God bless us all. To God be the glory.